Hello guys, I'm Sharad Kumar, a graphic designer based in Delhi, India, and today I will teach you in detail how to create masking tutorial for beginners easy guide. So let's start. First, place the picture on the page. Just like this. Now press Ctrl T for adjust the picture. Go back on Move tool, click on Select and select the subject for selection. It has completely selected it, so I'll have to fix it with the Quick Selection tool. Then click on Add on Selection. Wherever it could not be selected, we'll run it there. Just like this. Go back on Move tool. Now click this layer and press Ctrl J for duplicate. Now take the second picture. Select, hold, release. Press Ctrl T for adjust. Select the layer and right click and select the create clipping mask. Next, add a mask. Now select pen tool. Decrease the opacity is 19%. Switch foreground and background color. Use like this. So complete our masking. Make sure to drop a like if you enjoyed. If you like my content, to be sure smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching in this video, it really means a lot.